Okay, I'll wash that as a dark. Obviously they're darks. I'm going to put that to one side. If there's only me in the house, I would probably wash that with the darks. But there's 4 of us, so depends how much I've got and how many lights I've got. But it's only a sock, so whites. Whites. Well, it was white once. This is the other sock. This one, because it's sort of more of an off pink, can go in with the darks. Because if something runs in with that, you're not really going to notice because it's a bit faded, like, anyway, so. Right, that's my machine full. Doesn't take very much in my house to have a full load. Right, this is my machine. I'm in the UK, so we in general have it in the kitchen. Some people have a utility room, but we don't, we just have it in the kitchen. So the settings that we've got on it are AI wash, no idea what that is, so I never use that. Cotton, eco, turbo, blah blah blah. Over here we have temperatures that we can change, but in all honesty you will probably just have temperatures or something easy like speed, mixed fabric. Easy care is more of an ironing thing, I think. They never use it, so I don't know. But to stay on the safe side, ignore that, that's just telling me I need to fill up the detergent because it's an easy dose one, but it's fine. Right, so we go to the knob and we choose what cycle we want. I'm going for mixed fabric because there's mixed fabric. And if you see over here, it's telling me 40. Sorry, that's my parrot. So that cycle is on a 40, which is what I want. So I'm just going to press play. And because I know the washing machine and I know I've got a vague idea. Oh, shut up, Poppy! Because I know the machine and I've got a vague idea, it's going to probably be about an hour and a half. If it's a hotter temperature, it will be longer. These here mean the spin. So you've got 400, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400. Now I don't have a dryer, but obviously with the spins, the higher that you go, it spins your clothes faster, so they are drier. Therefore, you would need to shake them or iron them. 1,000 is sort of just in the middle, so if you remove your clothes, lie them flat, you won't need to iron. That is what I use the basis of, but if I need something drier in a hurry, I'll put it on a faster spin. So that is basically what the spin is. The higher it is, the faster the cycle. So the drier your clothes will be, but they will also be creased. But if you're ironing, it really doesn't matter. So that's the basics of a washing machine. So I hope this is going to help. Easiest way to do it, if you don't have a dryer, is on one of these. Clothes horse. These are great to dry your socks on and your pants and any other small items. Another way to dry things so you don't have to iron them is to dry them on coat hangers. Who wants to iron? Not me. Works for t-shirts, shirts, and bras on here as well. Just going to hang this over in the corner on our rail. Also on hangers. These can go on hanger as well. I've got a lot of washing today. God, hoodies, bane of my life. Getting these things to dry. Oh dear, I think that was supposed to go in there. I hope it's okay. Oh. Oh. To make sure that you put things flat to dry or on a hanger. This way your clothes will dry flat and you don't have to iron. This is my life mantra, because who wants to iron? Because I bloody don't. Uniforms, uniforms. So I'm getting these as flat as possible. Because ironing is not the best thing to be doing with your life. That can go on there actually.